condensed milk and a pan and created a delicious treat. Let's start by adding in a bowl 3 eggs, whisk. Add now 160 grams of flour and 395 grams of condensed milk. Mix well. You guys, this recipe is super delicious and easy to prepare. I'm sure you're gonna love it. Now add 1 tablespoon of baking powder and mix lightly. In a pot, add some butter and spread well. Divide the dough into 3, put in the pan one of them to cook. Stretch it to cover the bottom. Write me in the comments where you're watching us from so that I can personally thank you for keep on following our recipes. We'd love to know. Cover with a lid and leave it to cook for 5 minutes on minimum heat. Then, remove the lid and flip it using a spatula to cook the other side. Leave it to cook for 5 more minutes. Then, take the dough off the pan and repeat the process with the other 2. In a bowl, add 400 ml of Chantilly cream and blend it using a KitchenAid till it reaches the right texture. I'm whipping my Chantilly cream according to the instructions on the box. And if you're watching the video, you're loving the recipe, then like the video and share it with your friends. It will help us a lot. Now, to assemble our cake, make a layer of Chantilly cream on one of the dough you previously cooked. Then add the other 2, one on top of the other. You guys, try this recipe at home and write here what you think. You won't regret it. Finally, ice the cake with the rest of the Chantilly. Add some small chocolate balls on top as a decoration. And our recipe is done, ready to be enjoyed. I really hope you liked our recipe. Now I'm going to reply to your comments. See you in the next video. Bye-bye!